To create the Detroit movie text intro, start by dragging down a text title and edit. Now go to Advance, type in your text, increase the size to 100, then pick a nice font like Rockwell Extra Bold, and make sure the text is centered. Now take a JPG snapshot, then delete the text title on the timeline. Further drag down a video, then apply ink well effect as shown. Now drag down any color, but I prefer red, then click, go to opacity, and apply keyframe animation from 0 to 80 as shown. Now drag down the snapshot and, afterward, click to apply darken blended mode. To make the text zoom in gradually, apply keyframe to both scale and position. Go to scale to type 3000, position X 316, and position Y -348, respectively. Then go to the snapshot to move the keyframe forward a bit. Then move the playhead forward as shown. Then go back to scale and position to restore back to 0.